ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರಿಗೆ ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಅಚ್ಛೇ ದಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಕುದುರೆಯನ್ನು ಏರಲು ಬಯಸುವನು ವೀರನು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಶೂರನು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಿನ್ ಕೈಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಬರೀ 17 ಜನ ಮಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಹರಿತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕೈಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah inaugurated the 3 years of Achievement Dedication Convention in Tumakuru, marking the completion of 3 years of the state government's second term. The event was organized by the Tumakuru District Administration and Zilla Panchayat. On the occasion, the Chief Minister also inaugurated the Nava Karnataka Development Model exhibition and inaugurated and laid foundation stones for development works worth 682 crore rupees in Tumakuru district. The grand program was organized under the leadership of Home Minister G. Parameshwara and overseen by Revenue Minister Krishna Bairegowda, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, along with all cabinet ministers and legislators were present at the event. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah appreciated the organizers and said the Achievement Dedication Convention was conducted in a well-planned and meaningful manner under the leadership of G. Parameshwara. He said that out of 580 promises made in the party manifesto under the committee headed by Parameshwara, more than 290 promises have been fulfilled so far. He assured that the remaining promises would be completed in the next 2 years. The Chief Minister added that the government has implemented all 5 guarantee schemes soon after coming to power and is working for the development of all communities without any discrimination of caste or religion. He also said that the government has countered opposition criticism with development work on the ground. Targeting the opposition, Siddaramaiah said the so-called Gujarat model of development is hollow compared to Karnataka's progress. He also criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi over rising fuel and gold prices and alleged that only a few industrialists have benefited while common people and the middle class are facing financial pressure. On national issue, he criticized the NEET examination system, alleging irregularities and student distress, and said Karnataka had suggested a CET-based model which was not accepted by the centre. The Chief Minister further claimed that Karnataka is leading the country in per capita income and GST contribution and expressed confidence that the Congress party will return to power in the 2028 Assembly elections. The event witnessed the participation of senior ministers, MLAs, and a large number of officials and public representatives. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.